Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video what I'm going to show you guys is how to master reset, soft reset, how to get power saving mode on there. I'm going to show you guys a whole bunch of things, also how to master reset the whole phone, and what else am I going to show you? And I'm going to show you the safe mode, how to get out of safe mode, in and out of safe mode. So I'm going to show you a whole bunch of things. My phone is still on the old software, so this is ZTE Blade X Max, but this video tutorial will also help you guys if you have the Blade Z Max, the Blade X Max, the regular, the Grand X Max 2, all ZTE phones basically. So stay tuned, leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe, become part of Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you guys think about this video and any other tutorial videos that you want to hear. Alrighty guys, and here I am with the Blade X Max in my hands here, and like I said, this thing is not updating to the newest software, which is the B20 software update. I don't know what's going on, so what I'm going to do basically is just power reset or master reset my phone. I want to take you step by step and how to do this, you know what I'm saying, and also some other things and whatnot. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to get into power saving, or not power safe mode, in and out of safe mode. So here you go, right here. Now I may have done this a while back, but I don't remember, so I'm doing a 2018 version basically, and I believe it's going to be, you're going to hold the power off button. There you go. Reboot to safe mode. So do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So yeah, you can go ahead and hit that. So it's going to restart basically, and you're going to be restarting into safe mode. So basically, once again, to do that, you're just going to hold the power button, and it's going to go into safe. You're going to hold the power button, sorry, until that thing comes up, and then you're going to also, all you have to do, and then you hold the power off thing on the screen, and then that brings you into safe mode. And this is basically safe mode. This is when you've downloaded a whole bunch of stuff and you don't know what's going on with your phone, and you don't know what the issue is, and you want to just, you know, troubleshoot your phone without having all the other apps on there. It's basically the same thing as having safe mode, or, you know, safe boot up on a computer. So that's that. So there we go. See how it says safe mode right there? That's how you know you're into safe mode. So we're going to go ahead and unlock the phone once again. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Use a different app. We don't want to do that. We just, sure, just now, just once. Okay. So as you can see, all these things are grayed out. Target, Blogger, Target, WPS Office. So all these things are grayed out basically, and you only have the stock things that came with your phone on your phone. So that's it, and everything else is just gone. Alright, so to power out of this mode, once again, you're going to hold the power button right there, and now to alternative restart, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. So if your screen does turn black, guys, easy way to just go ahead. Hey, what are you doing? Why won't you turn off? Okay, there we go. I had my thumb on the corner. Alright, so basically now we're going to go ahead and power it off, and then we're going to go ahead and restart. But yeah, so guys, if your screen ever goes black on a ZTE product, you're just going to hold the power button for 10 seconds, and basically that's going to put you into is going to restart your phone. So that's the way to do that. I'm going to show you guys how to screenshot real quick, and then we're going to move on to something else. Basically, this is just a tutorial of, you know, if stuff goes wrong with your phone, how to troubleshoot your phone. Obviously, guys, you have a mic down here, and you have a backup mic up here for your speaker phone and your regular. This speaker is blown right here, guys, on this particular ZTE Blade X Max. Mill Hustle sent it to me. Very, very thankful that he did send this to me. He sent me a bunch of phones, like, I don't know, like 4 or 5, 6 phones. So very, very grateful that he actually sent me some phones. So thank you there, Mill Hustles, for that. Once again, man, you're the best, bro. You know what I'm saying? This one in particular had a busted speaker. So I don't know what the situation was, but hey, you know what I'm saying? Free is free, and I've been enjoying this phone since day one, man. Thanks a lot. And I still use this phone to this day. Obviously, you're doing tutorials with it, but yeah, I use it every day. I use this phone every day. I love my ZTE Blade X Max from Cricket Wireless. Alright, and usually I have a case on here, guys, so that's why it's looking kind of crusty. I just took the case off so I can show you guys everything. How to screenshot, pretty easy. Down, you hold the down and power button volume down and power button at the same time. Pretty simple, guys, if you're not aware of that. But how to screenshot, power button and a volume down button. You also have a secret gallery in here as well. So you're just gonna go into, let me take a look here first. Make sure. All right, so you're basically just gonna basically go into a secret manage hidden album. So this is what it is right here. I just want to make sure there's no pictures. So you go into settings right here, and then you're gonna go into manage hidden albums right here. So, and that's it. So you can tap to select, and you can put some hidden albums in there. So you can hide some stuff that you don't want people to see and whatnot. So that's that. Let me see. So manage hidden albums. You got your obviously your power saving mode. That's easy to do. You're just gonna go into your battery. You're just gonna go into your battery stuff. That's pretty much the easiest thing to do right there. Is the power saving mode. You're gonna go to battery and then battery saver on or off. We're gonna turn that to on, and it's gonna have a red bar on the top for you. So that's pretty easy right there. Let me show you guys how to look into the phone to see what you're on right now. And like I said, I'm on build number 18, so I will be factory resetting this phone here in just a moment. I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole factory reset, but I will be factory resetting this phone. I do have a lot of information on here, so I'm going to take it off first before I actually fully reset the phone. But yeah, that's probably what we're going to have to do, because it will not update this phone. I don't know what, no matter what I've tried, it just will not update the phone. So let me check for the updates right there. And current software is up to date. That's what it just keeps telling me. Current software is up to date. And I'd like to get the latest software, before everything's done, right? Before everything's through. So let me see what else we're going to go over here. Soft reset, obviously, you hold the power button for 10 seconds. I'm holding, and it should power itself off. Okay, now alternatively, what you can do is you can hold the power button down, the volume button down, and the power button, right? You can do that. So now hold the volume down and then hold the power button until it does its thing again, once again. Let's see here. All right, start up. Okay, so all I did was just hold the volume down and then the power button, and then I let go of the power button as soon as the blade stuff came up right there. And then what this should do, if you just keep holding the volume down button, is put this into FTM mode. Okay, so there you go, you're in FTM mode right there, factory test mode. So there you go. To exit, long press the power key. Avoid pressing the volume down key when turning on. So guys and girls, if you have the FTM mode up there, that means somehow, some way your power volume down button is stuck. So what you want to do is you want to actually get some alcohol, get some really a damp cloth with some, throw some alcohol on it, and just rub the keys really hard. Just rub the keys really hard to unstick that key. So it's going to be one of these keys. The volume, it's probably going to be the volume down, or it's going to be right here in the middle, and it's going to be somehow it just got stuck somehow. So you're just going to literally go like that, and it's going to unfreeze one of those keys. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hold the volume up button to get into the next mode. So that's pretty easy and simple. So we're going to hold the volume up and power at the same time, and then once it actually does its buzzing thing. So I'm still holding volume up, still holding the volume up, still holding the volume up. Don't let go of the volume up button, and keep the power button going. And once we have it in there, you will get this, guys. So this is what you can do, and you can do this. Reboot system now. You can reboot to bootloader. You can apply update from ADB. You can apply update from SD card. You can wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition, view recovery logs, or power off or reboot system now. So I will reboot system now, but that's basically how you get into that, guys. So if for some reason your phone gets locked out or something just funky happens and you don't know what's going on, that's basically like your last ditch effort to go ahead and get her going once again. So there you go, guys. Also, I'd like to say, if your microphone port gets blocked right there, all you literally have to do, guys, is just get a paper clip, get a needle, stick it in there. Don't stick it too far in there because you're going to mess with your microphone completely and your microphone's not going to work ever again. Same thing goes with your power charging jack right there. Dust and lint will get in there as well, guys, so be aware of that. So hopefully, guys, this has, you know, showed you all types of tips and tricks about this phone. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, the phone's going to glitch out every so often. You know what I'm saying? All phones do, but a lot of people seem to be having little issues here and there with the Blade X Max. Oh, also, guys, the YouTube. I'm gonna cover YouTube really quick, guys. YouTube, how to get rid of the black screen. So basically, what happens is you're gonna go into, you know, something like this, right? And you're gonna be watching, and it's gonna default probably to 1080p, right? 60 frames per second. Okay. Now, if it defaults to 1080p, 60 frames per second, what it's gonna do is gonna go to a black screen. Okay. So what you can do is you can just lower the quality, go to like 480p, and once you're in 480p, you're pretty much good to go. You know, even 360p, and that will stop the black screen for the YouTube videos. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Also, one last trick, guys. One last trick. Facebook Messenger calls. Basically, if you're, and I'll make a separate video probably if, you know, people didn't get to the end of this video, and go ahead and leave a hashtag MTRFam if you did get to the end of the video, if you did watch the whole thing. But yeah, so on Facebook, if you're making a call, you have Bluetooth connected, what you want to do is you want to put it to speaker and then back to Bluetooth, and that will make the sound tremendously louder if you're having issues with Bluetooth. Alright, guys, well, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Go ahead and leave that like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Like I said, I'll leave hashtag MTRFam in the comments down below to let me know that you got all the way to the end. You know what I'm saying? Being a true fan, true blue friend, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching.